Namaste everybody, this is your Dr. Sargam Soni. Firstly, thank you so much for such amazing and overwhelming response to every single video of mine. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead, subscribe to it, click the bell icon, and if you really like my videos, make sure you like, comment and share them with your loved ones. Today we're going to talk about a very interesting topic, which is the female hormonal imbalance. Now, females undergo a lot of hormonal ups and downs throughout their life. There are times when their hormones permanently go into changing their physical form along with the internal environment as well. It is one of the commonest problems seen in women, which is often neglected because women assume that this is just a part and parcel of their lifestyle. So today I'm going to elaborate a couple of signs of a female hormonal imbalance. If you think you have a couple of them, please make sure that you need to go and consult a gynecologist for the same, and we are here to help you out. So the commonest problems which are seen in women, when we can easily say that this is probably a case of a hormonal imbalance in a woman, one of them is sleep problem. Patients are unable to sleep properly. They oftentimes complain that they are feeling that they still need to sleep despite sleeping for an adequate amount of time. They feel that they lack sleep. So that is one of the commonest sign that is seen, the symptom that patient complains of. Second symptom that patient complains of is foggy thinking, inability to concentrate in their daily work. There are other complaints like there is problems with the digestion, there can be constipation, there can be diarrhea, which is unexplained and much frequent than it is ideally supposed to be seen only in case of gastroenteritis or maybe a gut inflammation. But unexplained constipation, diarrhea, unhealthy bowel habits is also one of the symptoms that patient comes with. Mood swings. Now, mood swings are really very commonly seen in women with hormonal imbalances. There can be sudden anxiety, there can be sudden depression. The patient may just start feeling low sometimes, all of a sudden for no rhyme and reason they just start crying sometimes. So there are a variety of mood swings and mood changes that are seen. Another common symptom is headache. Frequent headaches are also one of a very common symptom of hormonal imbalances. Other symptoms are loss of sex drive or libido. The patient has almost complete or partial loss of sex drive, and this is also a very common symptom with which we can diagnose that probably the patient has a hormonal imbalance. Another common symptoms are vaginal dryness, hot flushes. The patient always keeps complaining that her vagina is dry. She keeps getting those hot flushes. There are changes in the breast can go tender or painful on touch. So these are also common symptoms which indicate that probably she might be having a problem of hormonal imbalance. There is increased susceptibility to infection. There is decreased immunity, there is decreased resistance to infection, and as a result of which commonly the common infections like your vaginal infections, the common cold or flu. So there is more susceptibility to infections which is seen because of less of immunity. Unexplained weight gain again can be one of the reasons where a patient can have a hormonal imbalance, and we need to evaluate the patient to check if there is a thyroid hormone disorder or any other hormone disorder which can point towards a hormonal imbalance. Overwhelming and continuing fatigue, a feeling of body ache, general body aches and pains, a feeling of unexplained tiredness, lethargy, constant overwhelming tiredness and lethargy is also one of the symptoms that patient come to us and we start evaluating for a hormonal imbalance. There are food cravings, there are skin changes like acne, listless, dull, dry skin. Oftentimes skin just tells us everything going on inside of a body. So there are patients who come with acne and tiny little bursts out on their skin. As I said, dry skin, listless skin, there is no shine on the skin. So these are the commonest symptoms with which a patient comes to us and we start suspecting a hormonal imbalance in the female. If you think you have any of these or maybe more than one of these, please make sure you go and see a gynecologist we are here to help you. If you want, you can just drop in an appointment. The my consultation appointment number is already there on my Instagram page, or even on the YouTube page or the Facebook page. You can just log in anywhere, put in an appointment. We are here to help you. But please, please, please do not self-medicate your do not self-medicate, because that can be really harmful. Hormones have to be given very carefully by absolute monitoring of a patient's parameters. So in case if you need any help, please go ahead, consult a gynecologist. We are all here to help you out. And if you think that this video can help somebody, then please share it with all your loved ones. Share it with your friends, your female friends. You can even share it with your male colleagues and friends, because I'm sure each one of them has a beautiful female in their life, and this video can really, really help them out. So till then, I'm going to see you back again with another interesting episode. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead, subscribe to it, click the bell icon. Your likes, shares and comments are absolutely appreciated and valued. Till then, please take care, stay blessed, stay healthy and happy. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.